Oh yes, this is fine. Hello. As you know, I always like to have some assistance when I sing. So can I invite my lovely assistants up to the stage? At least two of them. Yes. Let me move the guitar over here. So have you been practicing?
Yes.
Okay, well, hop up on the stage and get ready, since you know your parts very well. Okay. Okay, this is a song by a gentleman named Rufus Thomas. I keep wanting to say Clarence Thomas, but it's Rufus. Yeah, you might remember Rufus as the inventor of many dances during the 60s. He invented the funky monkey. Can you do the funky monkey? Can you? What do you think the funky monkey would be like? Yeah, there you go. And the other dance that Rufus invented was called the chicken. Can you do the chicken? There's a chicken. And he also did a song which is mostly made up of nursery school rhymes and jump rope songs. And it's called Walk the Dog. And that's the dance. Mary Mac, dressed in black, silver buttons all around her back. Hi-ho and tippy-toe, she broke the needle, now she can so walk in the dog. Where are the dogs? Oh, those are very timid dogs. How about a good ho? I'm listening. Walk in the dog. If you don't know how to do it, I'll tell you how to walk that dog. I'll show you how to walk that dog. Here we go. Well, Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? Got your cockle shells and your silver bells, you got your pretty maids all in a row, walking the dog. Walking the dog. Well, if you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk the dog. Let's hear it from the canine corps. Woof, woof, woof. Come on out there. Woof, 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 woof. Walking the dog. Walking the dog. Well, if you don't know how to do it, show you how to walk that dog. Yes, I asked my mama for 15 cents to see the elephant jump the fence. He jumped so high that he touched the sky, and he never got down till the 4th of July, walking the dog. Walking the dog. Well, if you don't know how to do it, yes, I'll show you how to walk that dog. Go!